Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to tell the news for 8th of December 2023. Read by news presenter Mohammed Suleiman Hadi. Yes. Tensions between North and South Korea have reached a boiling point after North Korea successfully launched a spy satellite into space on November 21st, 2023. Iceland declared a state of emergency after experiencing over 800 tremors in 24 hours. Over 800.
Oh my God, that is quite a lot.
Yes. Heavy rain and flooding caused by breaking national news. Heavy rain and flooding caused by cyclone Mishwang have claimed 17 lives in Chennai. The landfall process is complete and the storm is expected to weaken as it moves north. Kolkata emerged as the safest city in India for a third consecutive year as a report by the National Crime Records Bureau. I don't know why it's written Bureau, by the way, because Bureau is a French word. Sports news. India's young star Ravi Bishnoi has become the world's best T20 international bowler after his impressive performance against Australia. Inter Miami superstar Lionel Messi continues to break records adding to his Times Athlete of the Year to his impressive lists of accolades. Iceberg A23A, which broke free from an Antarctic ice shelf in 1987, has been grounded for over 30 years. Recently, it started floating in the open ocean. NASA astronaut Frank Rubio accidentally breaks the record for the longest time in space, spending 371 continuous days in orbit, or 1 year, 6 days, or 1 leap year, 5 days. And thank you, and have a nice day.
Thank you, Suleiman. Wow, a very well researched news presentation. Very impressive.